Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a scrunchie. It takes about 20 minutes to complete, and I'll be using a 5mm hook. We're going to start off by creating a chain of 15. Now we're going to slip stitch into that first chain. And for rounds 2 through 43, we're going to repeat the same pattern. We're going to chain 2, double crochet all around, and then slip stitch into that first double crochet. Make sure you slip stitch into the double crochet and not the chain 2. And keep repeating this same step until you reach row 43. And with a tapestry needle, make sure you sew the first and last rounds together. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload weekly videos. I'll see you in the next one.